Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sheel and I make beauty, fashion and travel related content, but mostly beauty related. So today the brand is Unibling and I got a cute package from them and they have sent me 6 lenses and some cute stickers. I have dark eyes and I have picked them by myself only for me. That suits my color. So I will try all the lenses and show you how it looks with and without lens. Like first clip would be one side lens and one side without lens, and second clip would be wearing the lenses on both my eyes. I have picked the lenses from gray, blue and brown. I haven't picked the color green because I have many green lenses. I want to try some blue, some gray and some brown ones which looks natural. As I've already told you, I have 6 pair of lenses and these 3 are blue, and in this there are 2 brown and 1 grey. They've also sent me 2 other cases which includes lens solution bottle and lens case and applicator. So there are only 2. And first I thought I have 6 lenses, why they have sent me only 2? But then I opened this box, all the 6 boxes, and they contain a lens case, a separate lens case. I thought I only got 2 lens cases and how should I put the other 4 lenses, but then I saw this. So without wasting any time, let's get started.